Hi.
Hello.
Hello. Okay. Before we begin, may I ask if can you see and hear me clearly?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that's great. So by the way, welcome to class. I'm teacher Giselle, or you can call me teacher Jazz. Okay, what is your name?
My name is Tang Nguyen.
Okay. Hello, Tao. How was your day? How was your day?
Um,
You're doing great. Is your day
yes,
great?
having is a happy day.
All right, that's good to hear. Okay, so Tao, are you ready for our lesson for today?
Yes.
All right, so today we'll talk about animals. All right, so do you like animals?
Yes, I really like animals.
Okay, do you have pet in your house?
Yes, I have a cat.
Oh, what's the name of your cat? What's the
It's
name of your
Boo.
cat? It's
It's Boo. Boo.
Lu. Okay, that's a great name. Good job in naming your cat. Now again, let's go back to our topic. So, as I told you, we'll talk about animals. So let me share my screen and kindly click thumbs up if you're able to see my shared screen. Right? Can you see now my shared screen? Okay, can you see us thumbs up? Thumbs up. This is thumbs up. Can you see
Yes.
now my shared screen? Can I see your thumbs up? Sal? Thumbs up.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. Thank you. Okay, so again, let's talk about animals. But before we proceed to our lesson, do you want to see a video about
Yeah.
animals? Okay. Okay, so let me share this video. And Sal, I want you to observe keenly in our video because I'll be asking some question while playing the video. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's start. Wait for a while. Okay, okay. Let me stop sharing this one and let me share again to for you to hear the sound of the video. Okay, let's start. And three, two, one, start. Okay, Thao. So at the end of this video, we're going to answer this one big question. But right after the video, all right? Continue. What happened? Okay, I think there is something wrong with the video. Wait for a while, Tao. Okay, let's play it again. What happened? Okay. Okay. Okay, so there are different animal groups, starting with the birds, then the fish, then next amphibians, and lastly we have mammals. Okay, let's stop. Okay, let's pause for a while. So I'll be asking now a question. Are you ready, Thao?
Yes.
Okay, so what is the first type of animal have you seen in our video? What is it? The first animal.
Uh, a bird.
Okay, bird. That is bird.
Bird.
Okay, very good. Now, in that animal type, okay, so that is a bird. So bird have feathers. All right, so feathers that which enable the bird to
Wings.
okay to have wings that have feathers, and it will help them to what?
Fly.
Okay, very good. So meaning to say birds are type of animals that can
They can
fly.
fly.
Okay, so Tao, do you know some type of birds?
Mm,
Mm-hmm. Do you know some? Can you name some type of birds? Like eagle. Are you familiar with eagles? Eagles. Or how about parrot? Are you familiar with parrot?
parrot.
Yeah, yeah. It's a type of bird that have different colors and will copy the way you talk. So say for example, it will say, "Hi, hello." That's a parrot. Are you familiar with that?
Yes.
All right. Now, how about what is the second type of animal
Uh,
after the bird? Those animals that swim.
a fish.
Okay, very good. So fish. Okay, can you describe fish style in one sentence? What is fish? Fish,
Fish can swim.
fish. Okay, so fish can swim. Very good. Now, how about on the third type? Right after the fish. What is it? Like, for example, a frog. So, what type of animal is the frog?
Uh,
It starts with letter A. A. Can you still remember? Hmm? No, no?
no.
No. Okay, so the third one is amphibians. All right. So when we say amphibians, style, those type of animals that can live both in water and on land. Like for example, the frog, right? Now, for the last type of animal, Thao, what is it?
Uh,
That would be those animals that have hair and only live in the land.
um,
Start with the letter M.
and
Yeah, yeah. What do you think is the fourth one? Mm, ma. You forgot? That is mammals. All right? Okay, so when we say mammals now, those type of animals that have hair or fur and give birth, like for example, through like direct birth. So say for example, as human, so we are under the type of mammals. So those mammals, they can produce milk in order to feed their babies. Okay, so they have this mammary glands that will produce milk and they will feed their baby. So that's the fourth one. So again, what are those four types of animals now? Let's name it one by one. The first one that is
Answer.
it's it's the one that can fly.
The
Yeah?
bird.
Okay, the bird. Very good. How about the second one? The one that can swim. Swim.
Fish.
Okay, very good. The fish. How about the third one? The one that can live both on the land and on the water. Like for example, the frog. It starts with the letter A. That
A.
is um um amphibians.
Amphibious.
Amphibians.
Amphibious.
Okay, very good. And the last one, that is number four. That will be start with the letter M. That
Mammal.
is okay,
Ma-
mammals. Very good. Okay, mammals.
mammal.
Okay, exactly. So let's continue. All right. So if you can still remember, animals can do anything, right? So say for example, um, what like for example, the fish. What is the action for the fish? They can,
They can swim.
okay, they can swim. How about this one? They can,
A goat.
the goat
Uh,
can.
the goat can run.
Okay, very good. How about the bird? The
The
bird?
bird the bird can fly.
Okay, exactly. So again, the bird can fly, the dolphin or the fish can
Swim.
swim. Exactly. And the last one, the goat can.
Run.
Okay, very good. Okay, so those are the actions or different things that the different animals can do. So that would be the end of our video presentation, a short video presentation related to our topic this evening. Now this time, Sal, let's answer this following question. So let's start with, all right, so this one. Okay, Thao, can you read the question? Go.
Look up the pictures. What do you see?
Okay, Thao, can you pronounce again that word, this one? Okay, let me erase this one. Nana, wait for a while. This one. Can you pronounce this one again? This is,
This is
how can you pronounce this one?
look up.
No, no. Look. Look.
Look.
Okay, okay,
Look.
very good. So, can you read again? Look.
Look of
Cat.
the picture. What
What?
do you see?
All right, very good. Now, to answer the question, Thou, look at this picture. What can you see in this picture, Thou?
I can see a elephant,
Okay, you
bird,
can see an elephant. What else?
a bird,
A bird. Bird.
a, bo- a bird,
Bird. What's the sound of letter D, Tao? D, 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 d.
bird.
Okay, bird. Okay, very good. What else? We can see. How
But
about
I don't know.
you don't know? Okay, so this one, these are deer.
Deer.
Okay, so there are how many animals in the picture can we observe? There are three
Three animals.
three types of animals. Okay,
Animals.
very good. Now, we're able to answer how many animals can you see? So we have kindly compose a sentence answering this question, Thao. Number one, this one. Okay, kindly type your answer. Can you able to use the annotate? Do you know how to use the annotate? Or let's just say you're going to utter your answer and I'll be the one to type your answer. Is that okay? All right, so kindly utter now your answer to answer number one. How many animals can you see?
I can see three animals.
I can see three. Can we
Animal.
can we add type? Because we're going to if you're just going to say three animals, we can that is wrong because there are a lot of animals we can see in the picture, right? So we will put I can see three types. Okay? Types. Three
Type
types of
of animals.
animals. Okay, very good. Animals. How about number two, Sao? Okay, so let's erase this one. Okay, kindly read number two, Sao.
Where do you think they are?
Okay, where do you think they are? So what do you think is the answer for this question, Sao? They are in
They're in.
they
They are
in
in
what do you think is this place? What do you call for this place? This is it starts with the letter D.
mm,
What do you think is the place that starts with the letter D?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, so they are in the desert. Okay?
Desert.
Okay, so that is the answer from the picture. Okay, so that would be um those animals are from the desert place. All right? Okay, so let's answer. Okay, let's check. So again, Tao, what is this place? This
This
is a
at
what
the
place?
the
This is
desert.
a okay, this is a desert. Now kindly read what is letter C, Tao?
Think and answer the question.
Okay, questions with letter S. Questions.
Questions.
Okay, okay. Now kindly answer number 1. Please read first before answering. Go.
What animals do you like?
Mm-hmm. What animals do you like? So what animals do you like?
I like deer.
Okay, I like deer. Why do you like deer, Tao?
Because they can run very fast.
Okay, very good because they can run very fast. So they can run away from their predator, right? So what do you think will happen if the deer can't run? They will be
Fast.
no. Um I am saying that they will be
Eat.
they will be eaten by those predator. Okay? So that's why the deer can run fast because they're trying to avoid like lions and tigers. Okay, so they run for their life, right? Okay, so how about number 2?
Which animals
Okay, which animals?
help us?
All right, so what do you think is the answer for this one, Thao? Which animals help us?
Mm,
Based on the picture, or you can answer out of the picture. What do you think
um,
those animals that can help us? Like,
uh,
for example, on our day-to-day living,
I think
you think that would be
a bear.
okay? Why bear? Why is it the bear can help us? What would be the reason? What is your reason, Tao? The bear can help me because
Mm,
mm-hmm. You can still answer another animal, Tao, or you can name another animal aside from the bear if you're having a hard time to find the reason why does a bear can help us. How about your pet, Tao? You have mentioned a while ago that you have a cat, right? You have a cat?
yes, a cat
Okay,
or
so
a dog.
you also have a dog? Ah, you adopt a cat. Tao? Okay, how does your cat help you, Tao?
Is they
Does your cat makes you happy?
yes,
Okay, so can you make a sentence out of that answer, Tao? My cat.
a cat make me happy.
Okay, my cat makes me.
Me happy.
Okay, very good. So that's why you answered cat, which helps you to become happy. Okay, so very good. Now, we are down to big question. Are you ready to answer the big questions now?
Yes.
Okay, so kindly read again what is our big question for this day. Okay,
I can't see.
You can see? Okay, let me just unshare this one. Okay, so let me share again. Okay, how about this time now? Can you see now our shared screen? Can you see it now? This one now?
How are animals different from one another?
Again, how are animals different from one another? Okay, repeat, Tao. Can you
How,
repeat? How
how are animals different from one another?
another, uh,
Another.
another,
Another.
ano. You need to read it continuously. Okay, another.
Another.
Okay, very good. That's great. Okay, so how are animals different from one another? Okay, to answer this question, Thao, let me give you a um hint or like a sample answer. So let's just say you need to find their unique appearance or physical appearance for us to see the difference among of these following animals. So, how are animals different from one another? Okay, answer your answer, Thao. Animals are different from one another because or by animals are different from one another by means of okay. Your answer, Thao. Animals, okay,
Animals
are
are uh,
are different
different
from one another
from one
and not
another
through or by means, meaning to say with their what? By means of their, what do you think is the answer, Tao? By means of their,
um,
so say for example, the birds can fly. However, the fish can swim. So why is it the bird can only fly but can't swim, and on the other hand, the fish can swim but can't fly? So what do you think is the difference between the two?
um,
Their
the bird
their aside from their birth, their what do you call with this? Our body.
body
Okay, so by means of their body appearance or body P. What's I'll give you a hint. P. Body parts. Okay? So animals are different from one another by means of their body part.
part.
Okay, kindly read the answer now for this question. How are animals different from one another? Okay, go.
Animals are different from one another by means of their body parts.
Okay, or body parts. Okay, so I think that would be our lesson for today, Thao. Nice meeting you, and I hope to see you in my next class. Bye, Thao. Have a great
Goodbye, teacher.
night. Good night.
Good night.
Bye bye.